Can't seem to find the drive and energy to start doing what you need to do? What is stopping you? Let's go! Still can't find the drive? You've written down all the goals, written down all the steps, but what is stopping you from making that first step? In NLP, knowing the source of the challenges will help you overcome them effectively. Do you know why you are still struggling to start? According to studies, one of the main reasons people procrastinate is because of fear. Fear of what people will say about them, how people will look at them. Fear of failure. The best way to overcome this is to focus on the outcome that you want. What do you see when you achieve your goals? What is there to laugh about, especially when you master them? All the skills and all the things that you want to do. What will they be saying then? What is so embarrassing about it? You will only fail if you stop doing the things you need to do. Focus on the benefits that you will get when your goals come true. Think of the outcome. If it's not putting harm to anybody, just do it. Hope this motivates you to move on. Step by step, you'll be closer to success faster than you think. Subscribe to our channel, follow our Facebook page, and let us strive to be our better self together. Until then, see you again. Focus on the benefits that you will get when your goals come true. What is so embarrassing about it? Think of the outcome. If it's not putting harm to anybody, just do it.